तो गाइस पिछले एपिसोड में आपने तारीफ बहुत की और बोला कि क्या मस्त यार ये सीरीज जो है चालू रखना बहुत मजा आ रहा है। लेकिन थोड़े लोग कंप्लेन कर रहे थे कि अगर इसके साथ थोड़ा फोटो वोटो हो जाता तो और भाई मजा आ जाता। तो we've heard you, we've read your
Yes.
comments, and presenting to you our newest technical supervisor who's going to
Oh,
simultaneously run two screens like it's Minority Report. दिखा?
दिखा रहे चल. And this is just a sneak peek of what is about to
What
come.
is but he'll do that. उसके पहले let us thank you guys, every single person who has bought tickets for the first leg of the Bollywood Postmortem India tour. बहुत ही मजेदार, 6 cities, sold out shows, too much fun. So thank you so much for coming out. Now one request, एम्स्टरडेम और लंदन, प्लीज प्लीज आप लोग हमको अपने घर पे इनवाइट करते हो, बोलते हो इधर आके रह जा, नहीं आएंगे आपके घर पे, ठीक है? आप वो तकलीफ मत लो,
तुम आ जाओ.
प्लीज प्लीज आप जाके टिकट बिकवाओ हमारे कैसे तो, ठीक है? क्योंकि द शो इज टू मच फन, इट्स टू मच फन टू मिस आउट ऑन. So make sure you bought tickets and you send it across to every single person you know who loves Bollywood, because they're going to have a really good time. और कुछ
Yeah, by the
इसको बोलना है?
way,
हाँ,
this is this is the most Bollywood show ever. So it has it doesn't have anything to do with TIS. So if you know anybody, they don't have to know us or have watched the podcast. You can literally just bring them
Yeah.
for this because it's a complete dissection of Bollywood, kind of like what we're going to do today.
यस. तो इसी बात पे चालू करते हैं आज का एपिसोड इन 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show we take random versus facts that even opposite stories and we talk about it. And continuing our series of Bollywood forward episodes in the spirit of Markasam, sorry, in the spirit of postmortem. यार बहुत format करते हैं हम लोग. The spirit of postmortem. Today is another episode of postmortem, one of our funniest ones. But before we start, गाइस एक तो ताली मारते भाई, कौतुक कौतुक के लिए हम लोगों को ताली मारना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज इफ यू बीन एट द शोज एंड यू सीन दैट प्रेजेंटेशन एंड यू मस्ट बी लाइक यार सिद्धि कितना हेल्प करती होगी इनको. यू आर रॉन्ग, यू आर रॉन्ग, बिकॉज इट वाजंट सिद्धि, इट वाज सिद्धि का पति जो फॉर सम रीजन अभी एक पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन विज बन गया है एंड कैजुअली जस्ट makes fucking PPTs.
Yeah.
So
Now it is no longer Siddhi and I, it is Slides and I.
slides.
Bro,
हाँ भाई.
by the way, so when you go through this haunted 3D deep dive, you will realize that there are probably more slides in this PPT than there were pages in the script. क्योंकि
How have you
बहुत-
done more mehnat than Vikram Bhatt did?
Bro, by the way, I think at the end of this PPT, everyone watching this might know Vikram Bhatt better than Vikram Bhatt knows himself. So I can't wait for you guys to get into this incredible deep dive.
तो चालू करते हैं आज का पोस्टमार्टम विद हॉन्टेड. बट बिफोर वी गेट इनटू द एक्चुअल ओल्ड हॉन्टेड, लिटिल पीस ऑफ न्यूज दैट वी केम अक्रॉस व्हाइल वी वर ऑन पोस्टमार्टम टूर. ठीक है, देयर वाज वन वीकेंड वेयर 3 movies released. It was इम्तियाज अली's मैं वापस आऊंगा. There was another
Correct.
movie whose name I don't
Manoj
remember.
Bajpayee's Governor.
Governor. Manoj Bajpayee's Governor. And a third movie, which is Haunted 3D Echoes of the Past, made more money than an Imtiaz Ali movie and a Manoj Bajpayee movie. Mimmo.
Yes.
Mimmaxed the weekend क्योंकि he is back.
He back.
He
He
One
back,
second.
bro.
So
Mimmo back.
this is Haunted 3D was the previous one. So this is Haunted 2
Yes.
3D.
Haunted
So
2.
Haunted 20 3D.
This is Haunted 3D Echoes of the Past,
Echoes of the
formerly known as Ghosts of the Past,
Ghosts of the-
starring
The artist
Mimmo
formerly known as
Chakravarti,
Haunted 3D.
formerly known as Maha Akshay, or currently known as Maha Akshay, previously known as Mimmo.
Mimmo.
So it's all happening.
But you might be Mahakshay for
Yes.
somebody, but for us, you're always going to be our Mimmo. Because there's something so like nostalgic about Mimmo, right? Like, मतलब ऐसे Mimmo को सोचता मेरे को ऐसे वो 2000s याद आता है.
No,
And
but
like,
please explain what is like I remember when he debuted in Jimmy, there were lots of articles that came out about
First
why his
article.
name was Mimmo.
Yeah, क्योंकि अरे मिथुन का बेटा मिम्मो, what sort of a name is मिम्मो? तो पीआर आर्टिकल्स आते थे बॉम्बे टाइम्स में, तो उसमें एक बड़ा वाला आया था वेयर डिकंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ व्हाई इज इट मिम्मो. फिर उसने बोला क्योंकि उसके आई थिंक मिथुन का फेवरेट था माइकल जैक्सन और मोहम्मद अली. और दोनों का मिला के माइकल जैक्सन का माय और मोहम्मद अली का मो मिला के माइमो मिमो. He could have also been Momi. You never know. You know, like if you had a daughter, it
Momi.
would be Momi Chakravorty, and if it was a son, it is Mimo.
You know,
तो
these are
बहुत सारे
people who go to nice schools जहाँ पे लोग इतना चिढ़ाएंगे नहीं. क्योंकि अगर ये नॉर्मल अपने कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में गया होता, इसका ना आदर वाज अ वियर्ड नेम, उस पे कितना मेरा लेट्स जस्ट ग्रोइंग अप विद दिस नेम हैज बीन
Yeah,
टफ.
yeah,
You do Mimo and send him
yeah.
to my Holy Family High School. Bye.
ब्रो मेरे को शायद किसने वरुण बुलाया नहीं, साहब ठाकुर ही. ये हाथ
हाँ.
मुझे दे दिया ठाकुर. हम लोग इमेजिन, हम लोग जब 5th स्टैंडर्ड 6th स्टैंडर्ड में, तब हम लोग शोले शोले के लाइन कोट कर रहे हैं मेरे लिए. हाथ मुझे
नहीं,
दे
और
दिया.
ठाकुर तूने तूने अभी भी कुछ बोला था रिसेंटली कि which film were we watching where you said people kept teasing you about this? कुछ ठाकुर का ही कुछ रेफरेंस था.
करण अर्जुन.
करण अर्जुन.
हाँ,
करण अर्जुन.
मुझको
ठाकुर
राणा
तो
जी.
गयो.
ठाकुर तो गियो. तो
गियो.
ठाकुर तो गियो था. एक लड़का था मेरे स्कूल में, शाकिर खान. तो शाकिर खान का था, जब भी हम लोग क्रिकेट विकेट खेलते थे ना, तो ही वाज नेवर अ गुड प्लेयर, बट ही वाज ऑलवेज जो बाउंड्री पे रह के देते ना.
हाँ, कमेंट्री.
he was the guy who was once basically, हम लोग क्लास में था, एक टीचर आई, टीचर ने उसको पनिश किया. ए यू आर स्पीकिंग टॉकिंग इन क्लास, गो स्टैंड विद योर फेस अगेंस्ट द वॉल. ठीक है, सो ही इज गॉन एंड दिस लेक्चर वेंट ऑन फॉर 1 hour एंड सडनली ही इज राइटिंग नेम्स ऑफ अदर किड्स ऑन द बोर्ड. टीचर हैज फॉरगॉटन कि उसको पनिश किया था, वो मॉनिटर बन गया. So Shakir Khan used to always say, every time I got out, कि अरे ठाकुर तो गियो. तो ये था.
Shakir also understood how to rise up in politics really fast.
Yeah.
First get caught for a crime, then become the
Become the
person
authority
who
that caught you,
Yeah, then
caught
become the
the
crime.
crime, and catch other people doing the same crime and have
Bro.
the moral high ground.
Correct. But anyway,
Okay.
one other thing about Mimo that we've just found out. Okay, he's a good dancer, and how much ever he was trolled and all back in the day, he looks like a very sweet, genuine guy, because we found out that he is now a YouTuber.
Yeah.
And he loves superhero movies, and he was unboxing something the other day. क्या देख रहे थे अपन उसका? कुछ तो नया action
Yeah.
unbox
Then,
कर रहा था. He's very
he's just
passionate.
an
does-
Iron Man figurine, or like he does like these massive action figures, which are insane action figures, by the way.
he's into video games and superheroes and collectibles, and he does a lot of unboxing videos. So if you're into any of those and you're into horror, then please
Horror.
definitely go and give Mimo's YouTube channel a follow.
Yeah.
And I think after this,
Tis
so you
sent me
definitely
here.
will.
Tis sent me here. Please come on the podcast. एक बार
अरे
उसको
लेकिन
बोलो.
हमारे पॉडकास्ट पे भी पहले कमेंट करो, going
हाँ.
from Tis.
पहले
Tis-
इधर
yes.
I am on Tis, and then
हाँ.
उधर जाके बोल Tis send me
Tis
here.
sent me here.
हाँ, and tell him
Okay.
collaborate करो अपने साथ. मजा आएगा भाई. मिमो के साथ अगर एचोस ऑफ द पास्ट देख ली तो अपन ने.
Achos.
Watch along.
हाँ, चल अभी देखते हैं घोस्ट ऑफ द पास्ट. सो भावतुक, take it away.
Okay, all right. So first, let me just tell you that this is the first slide that we have, and this is a screen grab of the trailer for Haunted 3D Ghosts of the Past. Okay, this came out, as you can see, 9 months ago. Okay, so मैंने ये देखा तभी, हाँ ये 9 months पहले आई थी.
तो 9 months पहले इस पे आई.
YouTube पे.
आई.
YouTube.
And the trailer promised कि the movie would release on 21st November 2025. Okay, so I was very excited कि ये कब निकलेगी, कब देखूंगा, मजा आएगा. But they pushed the release of this film, and the reason they pushed it is the next slide.
Oh, they ghosted us.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, the trailer met very negative reactions because it looks very AI generated. Okay, and like it looks very cheaply put together. Like you can see green screen ka pura environments, etc. And people were really upset, as you can see with this comment. I request the director of this movie to please don't make a joke of such a great story. Haunted was one of the best horror movies of our childhood, and we will surely go to watch watch it if you give us a good reason for it. Kindly give this movie the justice in cinematography and the original theme that it had in the first movie. Now, if you think that this is, look at it, has 527 likes. Okay?
Who are these
Now, I saw a comment-
527 people who shared their childhood, bro?
Bhai,
Wait,
this is cult.
wait. It gets better and better. Okay, so I also genuinely thought, maybe this one guy, is an anomaly, because from what I remember, Haunted was like, it wasn't like defining of childhood type movie. Okay, but then go to the next slide.
Hmm.
Don't waste our childhood memory like that. Reshoot it.
Reshoot it. विक्रम
Okay.
भट्ट को सीधा ऑर्डर बैक कर.
Don't waste our childhood memory and your camera memory. Please reshoot, delete and reshoot it.
Please reshoot it. Okay. So and this was overwhelmingly what people were saying in the comments. People genuinely were hurt that a beloved franchise from their childhood was being massacred like this. You know, it's like you know, you're a Jurassic Park fan and then the new Jurassic Park comes and you're like, she tum log, you know, mere childhood ki memory pe you know, pisab kar rahe ho, like this is very bad. But so I was very intrigued ki kya hai ye, you know, amazing क्या है ये amazing movie और लोग को इतनी पसंद क्यों है, right? So now they took some time, they pushed it, okay, they pushed the thing and then they got some more time and then they re-released it, etc., etc. But the next thing I want to show you is the comments that were there on the old trailer, or sorry, on the movie of Haunted 3D. Okay, so I watched the movie. This is available on YouTube. You can watch the whole movie. And before we get into the movie, I just wanted to show you exactly how much it has affected people. Okay, so Adar, if you could just go 2 slides down. Yes, there you go. All right. So this is comments from the movie. Bollywood का सबसे best horror concept. Who else agrees? 5.1K. Okay.
So
You
फिलहाल
cannot
मैंने
fudge this.
कैलकुलेट किया है ब्रो, 6137 लोग का चाइल्डहुड का इंपॉर्टेंट मेमोरी रहा है अकॉर्डिंग टू द लाइक्स ऑन द कमेंट्स.
Okay. Now, Thakur, okay, if you think कि this is a stray thing and you know ये fabricate हुआ है वगैरह वगैरह, you see that 71 replies. Well, I clicked on that. Okay, so Adar, if you go to the next slide, you will see some of the things from there. Okay, now you can't see these properly, so let me just read
Really
them
a
out to you.
different concept. Some guy says, sorry guys, but I am myself with him. I like it so much. 1920
Sorry, guys.
सबसे best horror movie her.
Yeah, really different concept. Sorry guys, but I agree with him. I like it so much. Okay, so people really like this movie. Okay, go to the next slide. I can't believe that I watched this movie when it was released in 2011. Now I can see it again after 14 years. Next.
Wait, I'm adding
14
1,200
साल.
likes more, so that's 7,337 so far.
I love this one. जो प्यारी प्यारी मासूम आंखें ये कमेंट्स पढ़ रही हैं, भगवान उनकी और उनके परिवार वालों की जिंदगी खुशियों से भर दे. Now,
This is
Is
a
it
horror
sarcastic?
film. Just
no,
being clear.
this is a horror film. This is a horror film. Okay. By the way, this is not just a horror film. It's a romantic time travel horror film, as you will soon find out.
Wait,
Okay.
that's 753 more likes. So this is 753 plus 7,337. So that 8,098? 8,090. Ah.
Okay, now, by the way, I just want to tell you, this is a wonderful example of the kind of wholesome community that Haunted 3D has built around it, around the movie. Okay, please go to the next slide. Okay, I saw this movie in 2011. I was in class 3. Mira's costumes, the place, the cloudy environment, the songs, and Rehan's behavior all fascinated me that time. Now I am 21 years old.
She
Now
was in
it-
class 3, means she was 8 years old. Who's
Yeah.
letting 8-year-old kids watch Haunted?
But हम लोग भी
It's-
देखते थे. It's just that I'm a little surprised that this has come out of the woodwork as a, like, you know how certain movies where the new, like a Gen Z person will not, like, is just looking at us confused when we talk about them with fondness from the
Yeah.
90s. This is that one movie. We keep saying कि इन लोग की कोई picture नहीं है. I'm glad they have this one movie now.
I
Yeah.
hope you are not right about this.
9,229 likes so far for whose childhood
Yeah.
this is.
So, and just go back.
Back, huh?
Sorry, just go forward.
Huh.
Now, I am leaving here a comment and a reminder for me to not forget this beautiful story. Whenever this comment gets liked by a nice person, I will surely rewatch this faster.
Oh fuck!
So chances
Komal
are,
Kumari.
Komal has watched this movie at least 148 times. So that just goes to show you कि क्या fandom है भाई, क्या
Oh
fandom.
shit!
Okay, meaning Nolan could never. All right. So have you watched any movie 148 times?
अंदाज अपना अपना maybe हेरा
नहीं,
फेरी.
not
Arey,
148
no, of course not, bro. I've not watched anything 148 times.
Please write in comments if you guys are the type of people who have watched any movie 148
Max, I
times.
must have watched some funny reel which had like a really funny thing. उसको मैंने 1000 बार देखा होगा, दिखाया होगा. जितने बार दिखा रहा हूँ उतने बार हंस रहा हूँ. But
नहीं
a
भाई,
fucking 2 hour
see,
movie,
there
no
was
chance.
this 3 month period when all Lord of the Rings had released, and I used to come back from school and I used to watch one of them every day
Wow.
for 3 months.
Wow. For 3 months.
स्कूल में इतना ध्यान दिया होता ना, ठीक है, तो just pass नहीं हुआ था.
But that's interesting. This is new information. We didn't know about this
Yeah,
other.
like I would just come back and it would just play in the background. I would
But
just
क्यों?
keep
क्या?
doing
What
nothing.
was it about Lord of the Rings that drew you in so much?
Just the way it was shot, यार क्या क्या चल रहा था. Then I would go into like अरे how it was made, what was the sets like, how did they do the stuff with the horses, how did they train the horses. Then ऐसे करके it had become an obsession for 2-3 months.
Yeah, this was me and Jurassic Park. But Adar, I'm going to replace your obsession with this movie because now we're going to go into the story of Haunted 3D. All right, this is a roller coaster ride. So strap in because we're going to go all over the place to many different eras. We're going to see many different, very crazy things. And some devices which have never been done before or since in any cinema. Forget, let alone Bollywood cinema. All right, so let's start with the first image. Adar. All right, this is Rehan. Okay, meet Rehan. He is in full tiger cosplay and he's wearing that gamcha and sitting in a dhaba. Okay, so he says this film is set in Ooty. Okay, and he says मैं दिल्ली से ऊटी के लिए निकला और बस चंद घंटों का सफर था. Okay.
क्या चंद घंटों का? चूंकि दिल्ली से ऊटी है नीचे, you're literally क्या?
So
कैसे निकला ये? फाइटर जेट में?
So it's a 40-hour drive, but I mean he's right.
Time travels really differently for Mimo. He's going through wormholes.
अरे
10
देखो, और हाई
घंटों.
थ्रू उसको 40 घंटे ऐसे 2 घंटे लगे. It was blazed.
Okay. Now they say so they basically this is from Wikipedia. Okay, Rehan travels to Ooty and he says Delhi से ऊटी का सफर चंद घंटों में खत्म हो गया. And then we cut straight from car arrives and Mimo has gone to Guru Da Dhaba and he's sitting there
In Ooty.
eating in Ooty. Okay, and he's got 4 Mari biscuits in front of him and having 1 chai. Now at this dhaba, he sees that there is a man who's being mistreated by the dhaba owner, saying कि अरे तू वापस आ गया, फुकट का खाना खाता है, निकल जा यहाँ से. That person is in the next slide.
एक मिनट, बट ये चार बिस्किट को ऐसे सजा के मेरे को इडली लगा पहले. इडली और उसके ऊपर गन पाउडर
कुछ तो
रहेगा.
40 घंटे बाद you would want to have something जो अंक को लगे.
अच्छा सीरियसली 40 घंटा? अरे भाई भूख लगी और कोई तेरे को 4 मारी बिस्किट देगा ना,
Yeah.
तो मैं मारूंगा उसको.
अरे मैगी तो खा लेता, मैगी दे दे यार, कुछ तो दे उसको.
Bro, and Mimo, by the way, so sorry, Rehan, I'll call him by his given
I
name.
will call him Mimmo.
Mimo.
So Mimo basically is he takes 1 bite out of 1 Mari biscuit until he sees the next guy. Go to the next slide. This guy. Okay.
Fuck, that looks like Manoj Bajpayee.
I was
Yeah,
just
even-
about to say.
Even I thought it was Manoj Bajpayee, but it's not.
Who that?
That person is
Bajpayee Manoj.
not Mohan.
Manoj Bajpayee Mari Light.
Manoj Bajpayee.
He's Sanjay Sharma. Okay.
Okay.
Now here you meet him as the rag picker. Okay. Now
Wearing a suit.
yes, he's he's got this weird. He's got
Picking
this.
the rags outside Raymond.
He's got wild hair. It's a ratty, tattered suit, and he meets this guy. Mimo hands him money, saying कि आप कुछ खा लो. He just looks at him and he says, मैं जानता था तू आएगा, तू ही सब कर पाएगा, तू आया. Okay, and he just does one finger wagging, तू आया. Okay,
Once
at
again,
this
this guy right now, if you just give him sunglasses and a cigar, that's Jawan.
Yeah.
He'd be called Zaddy right now, this guy. उसको तो देख, cigar और चश्मा. Oh my God, he's so scruffy.
Okay, now I just want to tell you that Adar, just go to the previous slide where he's eating biscuit. Okay, I just want to tell you one other fact about Rehan. Rehan has come to Ooty because he's the son of a real estate agent.
Agent, not even like a
Agent.
fucking
Mughal.
developer.
हाँ, I thought like कुछ
No.
ऐसा हाँ.
So this is the first time that real estate brokers are getting getting any kind of free time.
Oh, real estate agent. I know where this is kind of going. कोई हवेली का कुछ deal होगा that he
Good
has to
Yes.
contract. Yes.
Yes. तो उसके पापा ने एक डील ब्रोकर की थी एक हवेली की जिसका नाम था ग्लेन मैनर. Okay, Glen Manor, but no one in Ooty can pronounce it, so everyone calls it Glen Manor.
Glen Manor.
Manor.
Glen Manor is great.
Glen Manor. Okay.
But
So
this used to happen with like Aparna. So they used to अभी तो actually I can say the name of the building. They don't live there. So they used to live in the building called Maple Tower.
Maple.
हाँ तो one day I heard her talking on Zomato. It's like Maple Tower. And I'm for 2 seconds, I'm like, and it's just like 1 month into dating. And I'm like, ये actually Maple को Maple बोलती है क्या? She's like, नहीं, अगर Maple बोलो उनको समझ नहीं आता है, Maple बोलते तो immediately घर पे लेके आते हैं खाना.
so Glen Manor is in Ooty and his father had brokered a deal, but पापा को कुछ हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो उसने
हाँ.
मेमो को भेज दिया कि देख 200 करोड़ का डील है उसमें से हम लोग को 4 करोड़ मिल रहे हैं तो just figure it out. But basically एक
तो 2%
वॉचमैन मर गया.
2%.
हाँ कुछ ऐसा ही है कुछ छोटा मीनिंग लाइक some percentage that they're getting, but there's been a death of a watchman and people are getting little cold feet, so you go figure everything out and then get the deal through.
Now
ठीक है,
the Parle-G makes sense कि उसका ट्रैवल बजट इतना ही है. तेरे को Parle-G मिलेगा 40 घंटे के रोड ट्रिप पे. जब
So,
तक ये 2%
now-
हमको मिलता नहीं है 4 करोड़ तब तक Parle-G डाइट.
Okay, now go to the next slide.
हाँ.
Okay, now he obviously enters the house. The house is in classic Vikram Bhatt fashion. It is some colonial British era building with
Yeah.
wood, like a lot of wood, okay, inside the place. And there is obviously one particular door which has a tala on it, and it's just
This
it can
fucking
never be
Tala
opened.
door now. It has to stop. Tala door has to stop, bro. It's
Ta-
वो
ताला-
दरवाजे के पीछे ये दरवाजा कभी भी खुलना नहीं चाहिए.
राज
Fucking
है,
कोई
राज.
चुतिया जाके खोलेगा इसको.
Okay. Now Mimmo gets told कि भाई जो भी हो जाए, and Mimmo by the way at this point unbeliever, he says कि क्या बकवास है. He's been told कि वो जो वॉचमैन था वो मर गया हार्ट अटैक के जरिए, and everyone else who works there has fled, so he's alone, okay, in this manor. And as he goes through the manor he finds this, okay, he finds a piano, and on top of the piano there's a book that says my favorite
tunes.
tunes.
गरीब
So,
art direction,
of-
भाई.
Okay, so yeah, you can see that some person has literally taken a chart paper.
Bro, you know what is
Art
khatkoing me? What is really khatkoing me in that image is that the gap between my and favorite
Yeah.
and tunes is fucking my head. It looks like my favorite tune. You know what I mean? Like it doesn't look like my favorite tune. मजा नहीं आ रहा है. OCD public in the house. देखो, my space
So-
favorite tunes.
Okay, so now of course he opens my favorite tunes, finds a tune that is his favorite, and begins to promptly play it, as you will see in the
He
next
starts
image.
playing it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there's a piano. Piano's
So he's a
well
pianist.
tuned.
Oh.
Oh, he knows how to read music and immediately bajaos one tune. Okay, but as
भाई
soon
tune
as
की
he
तो बजा देता है. हाँ.
as soon as he bajaos the tune, suddenly क्या आता है? एक औरत की चीख सुनाई देती है. Okay,
Oh.
and चीखती है जोर से, and then what happens next? Other next slide. Okay, the door has flung open. Tala has burst off the door, and Tala is now on the ground. He picks up Tala. He's like, "What the hell happened?" Okay, walks into room. By the way, this has opened by his piano playing. So imagine how bad the piano
Fuck.
playing was.
Imagine if he starts playing the guitar, what's gonna happen?
I love how
Every musical instrument he lifts, now one furniture in the house dismantles spontaneously.
I love when Kautuk took this screenshot. He had to reduce his volume, and that volume toggle has wound up in the screenshot. How loud was this woman scream?
Yeah, by the way, she screams a lot in this movie. So you will find out, and you will. So he enters the room, and in this decrepit, dusty room, he finds a picture. Okay, so other next slide. This is the picture he finds. Okay, now this is
Who's
the
this
photo.
person?
This is Tia Bajpai.
Okay.
देख कोई तो वाजपेयी है पिक्चर में.
Yeah. So कोई तो भाजपा है, मनोज नहीं तो टिया से ही. So now what happens is he finds this picture, and of course he's mesmerized. Okay, he's enchanted. He can't stop looking. You know, there's that thing where, you know, he just like टेढ़ा हो जाता है सर थोड़ा.
Like a dog when you hear that tune ना, तो देखा बैंक से एक आवाज आता ना. That's classic. That's smitten Bollywood hero.
Smitten. Okay, and सीधा meaning वो photo से प्यार is one full trope that needs to be explored properly.
अबे ऑनेस्टली रियल एस्टेट एजेंट 40 घंटे के ड्राइव के बाद पार्ले जी खा के तो उसको कुछ भी दिखाएगा, वो तो उसको प्यार में ही पड़ जाएगा इमीडिएटली.
Okay, now he tries to go to sleep, but of course, shady things begin to happen. He runs back into this room, and then he sees, in creepy fashion, he sees that there is, you know, there's one sort of sofa जिसके ऊपर एक चादर draped है, and sticking out from there is one bloodied foot.
Oh
Okay,
yeah.
and he sees the bloodied foot, and then bloodied foot just gets, you know, it just goes inside
Oh
that.
shit, sorry.
Yeah, sorry. Shit, sorry.
It's like when you're playing hide and seek with like kids, right? और अगर तेरा एक you know इससे पैर बाहर रहता है एकदम कर्टन से. हाँ, anyway, go ahead.
Okay, now so at the end of this, Mimo he came as an unbeliever. He told the simpletons who were working for him, who told him कि घर में भूत है. He told them fuck off, कुछ नहीं होता है. Now he has realized कि कुछ तो है. Okay, so he decides to get to the bottom of it by going to the owner, because he's the broker. Now he goes to the owner of the house. Okay,
Mr. Manor.
No, his name is Firdaus Bilimoria. Okay, he's a
उसके बाद जाता
Parsi.
है और बोलता है आप ब्रोकर है या पार्टी. अबे चुपचाप.
So please go to Mr. Billy Moria. Billy Moria is a Parsi gentleman who lives in Ooty, and he's very lonely. He says कि कोई मेरे से बात नहीं करता है, so I'm very happy to talk. So he
And
wears
is
a
he proper
suspender.
is doing a whole dikra thing.
Yeah,
अरे कोई
yeah,
मेरे से
he-
बात नहीं करता है डिकरा. हाँ,
No, I can hear this
Hear
picture.
the photo.
I can hear it.
He
अरे
calls
दिखड़ा पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है आजकल.
he calls Mimo young man. He says, "Arey young man, come sit down, young man." Arey
Young
So,
man.
wait, go back. Other. So he very quickly tells, he just dumps a lot of exposition. He says, "अरे 80 साल पहले किसी का घर था, फिर मेरे बाप ने खरीदा, बाप के गुजरने के बाद विल में मुझे मिला और मैंने मित्तल को बेच दिया, और तुम लोग 200 करोड़ में से 4 करोड़ तुम्हारा.
तुम्हारा.
Okay, so, तुम्हारा. Okay.
Kau तो
So
well done.
now, okay, so ये होता है. Now Mimo says, अरे नहीं वो सब ठीक है, वो बैक स्टोरी नहीं चाहिए, मुझे असली राज बताओ, असली राज.
See, he just knows that the actual asli raz.
Asli
Because
raz
of
is
the
there.
bloodied foot. हाँ.
Bloodied foot. So now Mimo tells him this. So he says, अरे तुम पढ़ा लिखा आदमी अनपढ़ जैसा बात क्यों कर रहा है? तुम्हें पता नहीं है क्या, ये कुछ नहीं होता है. गोश्त देखो, तुम्हें ब्रोकरेज मिल रहा है, अभी इधर किधर लिखा नहीं है कि बिल्डिंग हॉन्टिंग फ्री होना चाहिए. So he has said haunting free.
Great line, but
Fair
I
enough.
like the
Great
line. It's a great
Okay.
line.
Okay, now go to the next scene. Here, this.
ये चूतिया बोल रहा है क्या?
चूतिया बोल रहे हैं.
Yes.
Content guarantee नहीं है. अबे चूतिया.
Yes. So you've got the sentiment correct. The words are different. Sentiment is correct. So what he says,
झूठ मत बोलो.
no, what he says here is, देखिए, मैं कोई अनपढ़ गवार नहीं हूँ, मैंने MBA किया है.
This is the हालत of MBAs कि भाई अल्टीमेटली तुमको अपने बाप के बिजनेस में घुसना पड़ रहा है.
But how does this leg movement even lead to MBA?
Wait, he says, मैंने MBA किया है स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी अमेरिका से.
Fuck off.
And what I loved is he said Stanford University, America. You know, not to be confused with Stanford University, Patna or Gorakhpur.
I don't doubt that there's probably a Stanford University in Patna, Gorakhpur.
Dude, but what is the pink lips, bro?
Okay, yeah.
उसने टिया वाजपेयी का लिपस्टिक चुरा लिया ऐसा लग रहा है.
अरे but Stanford University, Vikram Bhatt really swings for the fences.
He does.
course.
He not hold back. Okay. So now Billy Moria tells him, अगर तुम, so by the way, he flips. Okay. Suddenly he drops the Parsi act. Okay, after he's told कि मैं MBA हूँ ना, he just fucking drops the Parsi act. He gets deadly serious and he's like,
अच्छा।
अगर तुम्हें इतना ही विश्वास है तो जाके ढूंढ लो proof. Okay, so fucking is gone, huh? All the dikra pikra, all
नक्सली
fucking
हैदराबादी,
king of the past.
अरे मियाँ तुमको चल
Yeah.
पता लगाने का है भूत,
So
and then after 15 minutes he turns Maharashtrian.
अरे काय झालं रे बाबा, तू घेऊन टाक ना घर.
so
दैट इज द राज कि बिली मोरिया हॉन्टेड है भाई, उसके अंदर अलग
वही
अलग.
haunted है.
okay, so now Mimo goes like he hears the word proof, and his MBA brain just goes
Like
ठीक
a
है.
fucking Pavlovian proof.
So
Must find.
so he immediately goes to Amazon and he buys a influencer starter pack, as you will see in the next shot.
Fuck off.
Okay. He just gets everything. Okay, everything.
Bro,
Camera, सब
one second,
सब
where
लगा
ahead
के-
of his
बंदा
time.
पार्ले जी खा रहा है रास्ते में, suddenly he's bought DSLR 1.5 लाख का लेंस.
अरे तो
Bro,
इसलिए
and-
तो खरीद
and-
पा रहा है क्योंकि
and
वो
it's
खाने
like-
में सिर्फ मारी बिस्किट खाता है.
You know how like in thriller movies they have that shot of the assassin putting his gun together.
Yeah.
So like that he takes out one tripod. and he puts the-
That's every influencer in the morning. फिर रिंग लाइट है just
guys.
hey.
Okay, so he sets up all the cams, pams, everything, and that night, next shot,
हाँ, sorry.
next shot. Okay, he sees a ghostly figure playing the piano.
Oh.
Okay, ghostly figure playing the piano. Then next shot,
He's like, these are my favorite tunes.
yeah. Then a chandelier falls on him, and a giant piece of glass just gets lodged in his arm. Okay, खच करके अंदर घुस जाता है. Okay, now what happens is that he like it cuts from there, and he's on a laptop and he's looking at the surveillance footage because clearly shit has gone down that night. Ghostly woman playing piano, chandelier, catch, everything, and obviously while he's on the laptop, he has put a bandage, and there you know that he's hurt because there is
Because
a
it's
red one red line is there, so he's really in pain. Okay, now as he's reviewing the footage, he realizes that the cameras, the footage has been captured, but all the footage is corrupted. Okay, like it's got hazy lines wherever the ghost should have been. Right, and as he's reviewing the footage, suddenly a man bursts into the house, takes something from the kitchen and runs out. Okay, Mimo goes, "Hey, kaun hai?" Okay, runs behind him. Okay, there's a full chase sequence. He runs into the woods and he catches up to this guy.
Let
and
me
the
guess.
guy is yes,
That guy is that first scene वाला, उसको भूख लगी है कुछ खाने
मनोज
आया है.
वाजपेयी.
the rag
Manoj
picker.
Bajpayee.
You're right. So he goes there and
भाई
he's
ये
like,
मनोज
"Hey."
वाजपेयी है. You cannot make me believe otherwise.
So he catches the rag picker and he's like, "Hey, क्या कर रहे थे?" So he's like, "Are you ready?" He says, "चिल्लम के लिए माचिस चाहिए था." so,
But fair point. Hey, allowed. allowed.
So it gets better and better. Okay, you guys aren't ready for this. So the rag picker says चिल्लम के लिए माचिस चाहिए था, and he then tells him कि तो Mimo says कि अरे माचिस चाहिए था तो मांग लेते, बेल बजा देते, ये भागने की क्या जरूरत है?
Yeah.
तो he says कि देखो मैंने तुम्हें यहाँ बुलाया है या तुम्हें यहाँ लाया है ताकि वो हमें ना सुन सके. बोलता है कौन वो? He's like वो. तो then he proceeds to prove his point by next slide other lighting a chillam. Okay, so he lights a chillam. All right, and he says कि देखो वहाँ एक आत्मा है, वो 80 साल से वहाँ कैद है, तुम्हें कुछ करना पड़ेगा, तुम्हें उसको तुम्हें ही निकालना पड़ेगा, etc etc. And then what he proceeds to do is he proceeds to other next slide. He blows on his wound with his magical chillam.
Oh,
And next slide.
It's healed.
Yes.
Off. ये
Yes.
कहाँ मिलेगा चिल्लम?
Yes. So with the power of 420, Mimo has been restored. Okay. Now,
Bro, I think somebody will have to smoke a chillam and then blow it on Manoj Bajpayee's lungs of all the chillams that he's been smoking to heal people.
So now he realizes that this man is a magical man, okay, with some magical properties, and he realizes that he's into deep, he's in some deep shit, okay, and now this realization comes to him in the next shot, okay, because you can see he is realizing because he's
Yeah.
sitting alone in the dark. This is realization dawning, okay, and that night from this bookcase, okay, Other, go to the next shot. From this bookcase, which has books like Frankenstein, horror movies, etc., a book falls. Now, in that book was a letter. And next slide, Other. Of course,
He has to read.
Nemo picks up the letter, reads it, and now we cut to flashback. Now, what is
Dream sequence.
flashback?
Oh,
Okay, so
flashback.
this is the letter of Mira, and this is not just any letter; it is a suicide note. Okay, now
Oh.
Mira gonna tell you what gonna happen. Okay, so go to next slide, Other. So now we're in 1936.
Arre,
Okay,
अरे
and
just 16 years away from Vikram Bhatt's favorite decade.
अबे वो गाड़ी उनके पास एक पुरानी गाड़ी है, एक पुरानी
Yeah.
गाड़ी है, वो लोग यूज करते रहते हैं हर मूवी में टू शो पीरियड ड्रामा. I
yes,
think that's why they put the Parsi guy, because the Parsi guy probably owns this car. That's like, सर आपको एक रोल देंगे, आप अपनी गाड़ी दो.
Ha, it's a
So,
good deal.
analysis. So now the gent wearing that hat and the lady behind who's giving no expression, both of them are the parents of
Of
Mira.
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 Okay, Mira. Just go to the next slide. The parents are going to Delhi. Now, the lady on the left, okay, is Achint Kaur. She plays the role of Margaret. Margaret is the caretaker or the governess. She's the
Governess,
governess.
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 Butler / caretaker of
Governess,
the
governess.
But
Okay, and Tia Bajpai is the girl on the right, and she is Mira and the daughter of the two people who left for Delhi. Okay, they said bye, hum Delhi jane. You know the classic bye, bye.
and you
Bye.
know she's like the princess of the house because she's wearing those gloves.
Gloves, yeah, the lacy gloves. Okay, now now what happens is that what's her name? Mira is a prodigious pianist. Okay, so she loves playing the piano, and she has an instructor called Professor Iyer who teaches her the piano. Now she goes to Professor Iyer's house. He teaches her the shot of them learning piano with Professor Iyer, and then she tells Professor Iyer that Professor, मेरे माँ बाप चले गए हैं दिल्ली, इसलिए मैं अगले 2-3 दिन नहीं आ पाऊंगी. So Professor says, he says practice makes perfect. तुम्हें practice तो करना पड़ेगा. तो एक काम करता हूँ, मैं तुम्हारे घर आ जाता हूँ. Now you know that
Professor.
something is, yeah, this much commitment to piano no one should have.
Yeah.
Okay. Now next shot you will realize why he came to the house. Okay. So this is Professor teaching piano.
Hey, yaar.
Okay. Now he basically is
Arif Zakaria है ना ये तो Arif Zakaria है ना.
yes this is well done Thakur, well done, superb. So Professor Iyer, piano teacher, finds himself alone in the house with Mira and takes advantage of the situation. Okay. Now, what happens is that Mira fends him off, and in the process, she picks up a giant candlestick and hits him over the head. Okay, and
Shit.
he falls onto her first. Okay, he bleeds from his head, falls onto her, and then falls onto the ground, as you will see in the next slide.
Oh,
Fuck,
He
what a
died.
candlestick is
He-
this?
yeah.
What is it? An axe? Is the candle shaped like an axe, bro? This looks like a fucking gash.
Yeah, no, so she hit him on the head, and then there's one shot of him where you can see the special effects, the on
Daily
ground
Spurt of blood.
yeah. It just you can see that it burst, and then that line starts pouring down his head. Like, it's great. So practical effects, man, back in the day. # practical effects. So he died. Okay, now he died, and the Kotwal is called. Okay, because this was the time, and 1936 was when we didn't have policemen. We got Kotwal. So Kotwal comes and they tell him कि ऐसा ऐसा हुआ. The Kotwal is like, yeah, we fully believe you, because this man, there were objects of yours in his house, and not just that, we found pictures that he had drawn. Other, next slide.
Drawn.
Oh,
Yes.
shit.
Yes. So apart from being a pianist, he was also dabbling in visual arts. So he was drawing Ashleel photos of Mira. Okay, now so that clinches the case. They're like, yeah, 100% this guy was a problematic person. So we believe you. We're not going to put you in jail. So they go to sleep that night. But next,
Oh,
this is the
yuck.
this is the crux of the movie. All right. Now here's where it gets really gory from this point on. Okay. So basically he says, जो मैं जीते वक्त नहीं कर पाया वो मैं मौत के बाद करूंगा.
What
Okay.
the?
All right. And he begins haunting them. Now they say, what's her name? Margaret.
Mira. हाँ.
Margaret
Oh,
and
Margaret.
Mira, their first line of attack is that let's send a telegram to our parents. So they send a guy, Kishan, to send a telegram. Okay, but when they send Kishan, soon after their driver Ramu comes and he's pale and he's like, okay, and the next shot, other. Kishan dead.
Oh no.
Kishan dead.
Kishan
couldn't.
decapitated, bro.
Oh, Kishan. We have to send a telegram to Kishan's family now. But
You know,
who will
but if
send
you
it?
look at it, if you
But
look at
telegram
it
तो
with,
किशन लेके जाता है तो ना उसको तो
नहीं, but if you look,
किशन ने टेक है किशन के मुंह मैं अपने फैमिली को बता दूं कि तुम डिकैपिटेट हो गए हो जाओ जरा टेलीग्राम देके आओ
but you know, if you squint your eyes and look at Kishan, he looks like a really small man standing on the gate.
या
देखा? He look Kishan's head and that
Tiny
looks like a
torso,
tiny body, like
legs,
that.
huh?
I see it.
And he's in
है
a
ना?
suit.
Okay.
He's in a suit.
So Professor Iyer has decided that he'll make an example of Kishan. Okay. Kishan, by the way, who has nothing to do with Professor Iyer, who
Yeah.
just wanted to give a telegram. Okay. So Professor Iyer is like, ये ले तेरा सर गेट के ऊपर. Okay. Now they're like, shit, अभी telegram नहीं भेज पाए, चलो भागते हैं यहाँ से गाड़ी में. So they're like, Ramu, जल्दी गाड़ी निकालो. So they
Oh,
pack their
no.
bags and they go to the car, and here's what they find in the car.
Ramu भी गया.
Ah,
अरे
Ramu
Ramu
was dead. Ramu in back seat. Okay,
Oh, shit.
so now Kishan is, and just to tell you, like this is such a rich people problem. They're like both our house helps are dead, so now we can't escape.
Oh shit. Oh no.
They're like that's it. We can't do any work. We
अरे
can't
गेट
get
कौन
out now.
खोलेगा?
they're like
गेट हम
पहले-
खोले.
They'll have
गेट
to
नहीं,
remove.
गेट कैसे
गाड़ी
खुलेगा?
का दरवाजा कौन खोलेगा? And the thing is, they have to clean the back seat of the car. So they're like, हम थोड़ी clean कर सकते हैं. तो
Ew, मैं
तो
नहीं
रामू
पकड़.
को बोल रहे हैं, रामू की बॉडी को बोल रहे हैं कि जा अपना सर निकाल और साफ सफाई
और
कर
वहां से
गाड़ी
किशन को भी निकाल.
की.
Okay, now Bimo has got so basically what he finds out at the end of this, Kishan dead, Ramu dead. So Mira and Margaret, they both go like, oh, there's no escaping this place.
So
And that night, Professor Iyer comes and जो वो जीते वक्त नहीं कर पाया वो मौत के बाद कर दिया.
Oh.
And yeah, so therefore, in horror and shame, they both off themselves.
Oh,
They
both
unalive
killed-
themselves. They both unalive themselves. Okay, so that was their. So what they had written to Mimo in full exposition style was their suicide note. Okay, so because they have unalived themselves, Mimo's like, okay, I got the backstory. This is crazy. I got to find somebody who knows what's up. So he immediately he goes to a lady. Go to the next slide, Adar. Okay, this is Mrs. Stephens. She's some
ये
kind of
psychic है.
yeah.
Of
Some kind of like
You can
know,
tell from the back of her hair that she's going to be a psychic.
psychic. Okay, so he
लंबे
enters
सीधे बाल.
he enters her her sabha thing, and this is very important. All right, this is very
I
important.
love
She
how
says कि ghost,
extras are there in these sabhas.
Yeah.
Like you can tell that these guys are not actors, these guys are extras. Just expressionless. बैठो यहाँ पे बाद में पावड़ा मिलेगा.
yeah. So the guy in pink is really interested. Okay, so he's really interested. He's like batao. So she gives one very important piece of information. Okay, which is very important. She says कि ghost अनपढ़ होते हैं.
घोस्ट अनपढ़ होते हैं?
She
So
says,
none of the ghosts have an MBA degree as
no,
opposed to Nemo.
No ghost went to Stanford University, America.
तो बोलती है उन्हें दिखाई देता है और दिखाई देता है और सुनाई देता है, बट अगर तुम कुछ लिखो तो वो नहीं पढ़ पाते. ओके, तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन है.
But bro, this is a revolutionary angle. Nobody's ever thought about
Nobody
this.
has ever thought about this.
कि मैंने
Only-
भूत को कुछ पढ़ते हुए तो देखा ही नहीं है भाई. भूत सिर्फ सुन रहा है और बोल रहा है. ऐसे भूत क्या लिखा है? Wow.
So then her dead father comes to her and she says, एक सेकंड, मेरे बाबूजी कुछ बोल रहे हैं. हाँ, कोई यहाँ ग्लेन मनोर से आया है? तो बाबूजी के जूम कॉल के बाद उसको पता चलता है. सो मिमो से, हाँ मैं आया हूँ ग्लेन मनोर से. सो शी इज लाइक, ओह बताओ क्या काम है. And then he tells her क्या काम है. Okay, at the end of it, she comes to his house. She does a recce and she runs out, saying, "Sorry, this is very evil guy. I can't help you. You also get out." He's like, "What?" And she's like, "देखो, उसका नाम मत लेना. हर बार तुम किसी घोस्ट का नाम लेते हो, वो उसकी शक्तियां बढ़ने लगती हैं." Okay, तो she leaves. She says, "I'm a bounce. Best of luck. Can't handle this case." Okay. So she leaves. Now, as soon as she leaves, he turns around and he says, मैं नहीं डरता तुमसे. मैं तुम्हारा नाम लूंगा. क्या होगा? Professor. नहीं, he says, Ayyar. Okay. And cut to.
He's just screaming a year in some
In the house.
Shimla. किधर है?
Uti.
हाँ, okay.
तो-
Uti में अय्यर हो सकते हैं.
तो other go to the next. Ayyar appears.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh,
Ayyar appears and he tells him, get out. Okay. And as he says, get out, he's flung outside a window. Okay.
bro,
He's
wait.
flung out the
This
window.
guy up Ayyers out of nowhere.
Up Ayyers out of nowhere. Top shelf. That was top shelf. Top shelf. तो वो घर के अंदर ऐसे झांकता है और देखता है कि अदर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. ओके, नहीं
चिल्लम.
हाँ, तो नाउ ही सीज दिस चिक एंड शी टेल्स हिम, देखो बहुत शक्तिशाली दानव है वो, कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे, भाग जाओ यहाँ से. नाउ he spends the night outside only because he can't get in the house.
Locked?
But the next morning he can't get in. Okay, so the next morning he is woken up by other
चिल्लम बाबा.
Chillam Baba.
और उसको पूछते हैं, तुम
Okay.
माचिस लेने के लिए अंदर कैसे घुसते हो? मुझे भी घुसना है.
Okay, चिल्लम बाबा now tells him कि अब तुम्हें समझ आ गई है कि कौन घोस्ट है अंदर, क्या हो रहा है सीन. तो he's like, तो this guy says कि देखो मैं सौदा तो करने आया था, पर अब मुझे पता चल गया है कि मीरे के साथ क्या हुआ है. तो अब
मीरे के साथ क्या?
मीरे के
तो
साथ.
अब सौदा गया भाड़ में. नाउ आई वांट टू सेव मीरा. दैट्स ऑल आई वांट टू डू.
अबे मरी हुई को कैसे बचा रहा है
मुक्ति
भाई?
दिलानी है. शी इज आल्सो रोमिंग अराउंड ना. तो
वो
मुक्ति.
80 साल से द दानव हैज बीन दानविंग विद मीरा. सो इज लाइक, अब मैं मीरा को बचा के ही रहूंगा. तो बाबा टेल्स हिम, ठीक है, पर तुम्हारा हौसला बुलंद होना चाहिए. ओके, सो ही सेड, मेरा हौसला बहुत बुलंद है, तो जाओ अंदर. ओके, एंड बाबा टेलीकिनेसिकली ओपन्स द डोर्स. ओके, तो भाई चलने लगता है अंदर. ओके, मिमो. बट बाबा, अदर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Baba blows out magical chillam, and next slide, other, and Mimmo gets stoned.
Of course he does.
Stoned. He gets stoned out of his mind.
Some ganja. Come on.
Okay, so he gets
बाबा जी की
fully.
बूटी.
And-
Yeah.
Okay. Now to tell you how stoned he gets. Other next slide. He wakes up in 1936.
Oh, bro. कहाँ मिलेगा ये चिल्लम यार?
ध्यानचंद has won the gold medal and he 1936 now. Okay. अब
हाँ.
उसको पता चलता है कि मैं पहुंच गया हूँ 1936. And he has time traveled because of magical chillam. He has time traveled back to the very day that Ayyar is going to appear. Okay.
Hard.
Now, why hasn't Baba sent him, many weeks before,
Yeah.
months before,
Ah.
any other point?
Send
But
him
no,
in
Baba-
1935 and be like, listen, lady, you gonna get killed by Ayyar. तो तू मत कर.
So
Or
he has
he just
literally
goes
sent
and
him.
he kills Iyer and he becomes the piano teacher and lives out his life in peace.
Oh, that would have been, yeah, send him way back, right? But no,
Yeah.
अभी उसके
magical
बाप
kingdom.
उधर कमीशन के लिए रुका है 2010 में।
अरे
मेरा
बाप को
बेटा क्या
मिल
है, वो तो
जाएगा ना कमीशन
1936
बाद में,
में।
भूत ही नहीं है।
Okay, now by the way, I must tell you this. Okay, so the movie is remarkably consistent with its internal logic. Now you can laugh at it saying कि ये वो, but जो बनाया उसके accordingly चल रहा
भूत
है,
पढ़
ठीक है?
नहीं सकता है तो ये न्यूज़पेपर फिलहाल भूत is unable to read.
हाँ.
The
Now
Bhoot has
he's
no
in,
idea Dhyanchand has won his third gold medal.
अबे
no
लेकिन
idea.
भूत
But
रेडियो
no,
सुन
but
सकता है ना, रेडियो पे भी अनाउंस किया था।
no, but this is 1936. There are no booths yet. Okay, things are
right.
about to happen. Okay, so now he says, "Fuck, I've got to find this Mira." So he hides behind a tree as she's walking in the forest, and
Not
then he
creepy at all.
pops out of the tree. Okay,
Oh, shit.
show the image. There he is. He just walks out like Bigfoot.
This is the
Also-
front shot of Bigfoot.
Yeah.
Usually ऐसा वो बैक शॉट होता है ना, अभी ये फ्रंट शॉट ऑफ
So she's with her parasol, and he just appears and he's like, "Hello," and she's like, "Hey," and he's like, मैं अपना रास्ता भूल गया हूँ, तो क्या आप मुझे गांव तक वापस लेके जा सकती हैं? And she's like, नहीं, पागल हो क्या? तुम कुछ भी कर सकते हो.
Isn't she amazed by his fashion sense? वो
Yeah.
1936
So
इंडिया
she says
में
कि
तू
तुम-
Levi's
तुम-
जीन्स पहन के पहुंच गया अगर, तो पब्लिक पूछेगी ना, भाई तू बाकी पब्लिक धोती पहन रहे, तू ये कहाँ से लाया भाई?
अबे वो
Very
ग्लव्स
shocked.
में घूम रही है भाई, वो दिस इज
अबे
विक्टोरियन ब्रिटिश.
जीन्स
So-
पैंट, हेनली शर्ट, नीचे बूट्स पहन के भाई, उसकी दाढ़ी देख, ऐसे को दाढ़ी बनाता था क्या?
Wait, I'll show you. I've got a shot just for the dadi. Well done. So this is dadi.
Oh my god.
This
Gillette,
is-
the
Oh,
best.
it's very sharp.
Oh
Okay.
my God, this is
तो
like
तो सुन ना, तो वो बोलती है कि देखो, मैं तुम्हारी हेल्प नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि मुझे क्या पता तुम कौन हो, तुम कुछ भी कर सकते हो. सो ही सेज, देखो, अगर मुझे कुछ करना होता तो मैं अभी तक कर लेता. So she's like, हाँ,
Fuck.
ये बात भी ठीक है. She says,
Your logic sounds sound.
okay, that is the meet cute that happens between them. And she remarks on his clothes. She's like, अरे तुम ऐसे लग रहे हो कि यहाँ से हो नहीं. So he's like, हाँ, मैं नहीं हूँ.
Hmm.
So now,
ये
so
स्पाइकर
he-
की जीन्स कहाँ से खरीदी तुमने?
so now he tells her, oh, thanks for getting me to the back to the village. And then next shot, Adar, she now with Iyer, okay, doing piano, and he appears right on time.
Oh, as
Wearing-
Inspector Gadget.
as Inspector Gadget, and he says, "Arey, thanks for bringing me back home. So I thought I'll also thank you. तो ये रहे chocolates." Okay, तो chocolates देता है और बोलता है, मैं यहीं बैठ जाता हूँ, तुम बजाओ.
अबे कैसे खरीद के आया ये? अच्छा, like are the notes still consistent? या उसके बाद same currency है?
That's a
Is
great-
he using the new currency? Because technically British era में चल रहा है, तो British era is not produced in Reserve Bank of India.
All your answers, Adar, were explained through editing. So it is cuts from
Montage.
नहीं, nothing. It just cuts from one
Cut
scene to
to.
him wearing cut to. तो वो आ गया और बोलता है, देखो, मैं यहीं बैठता हूँ, कोई एतराज तो नहीं है. तो अय्यर बोलता है, हाँ, मुझे एतराज है. Okay,
course.
बाहर जाओ. Okay, तो now he goes out and he says कि ठीक है, मैं यही खड़ा रहता हूँ, बस सुनाई भी देगा और तुम प्राइवेसी भी मिलेगी. तो he's standing looking outside a window. Suddenly he turns around because he hears something, and other next shot, and he's attacked by Iyer, who again hits him and he gets flung out of the window again. Okay, and he's flung out of the window. By the time he comes back, he gets back up. It's too late because Meera has yet again, even in this timeline, hit Iyer with the candlestick, and even in this timeline, Iyer is now dead.
Wait, he keeps going
One-
back now. This is
one-
this is
no.
one of those movies.
No.
I don't. No, it's not Groundhog Day.
No.
What I'm not understanding is उसने बोला मैं इधर बैठ के म्यूजिक बजाता हूँ, सुनता हूँ.
Yes.
बोला पे चल
Yes.
बाहर निकलो, तो मैं बाहर
Yes.
खड़े रहता हूँ.
Yes.
So Iyer knows this rando guy is standing outside. He's still trying to assault
Yes.
Meera. Iyer mega
So
I got it.
Iyer said, I'm going to first hit this guy, then I will shut the door and I will
Oh,
continue
अच्छा,
with-
okay.
and then he gets hit by the candlestick again and again he dies. Okay, but because Mimo was also hit on the head by this whatever baseball bat wielding
I
Iyer.
like that this guy hit his head with a baseball bat and इसको कुछ नहीं हुआ but लड़की
No,
ने
wait.
कैंडल स्टिक से उसको मारा.
Yeah, but wait, hota hai because he has also sent to the hospital and other next slide. There he is. Okay, he wakes up in hospital and he is told ki whatever he's got a injury etc. And then he's
I don't
told
believe it's an injury without that red dot on the
red
side.
dot.
नहीं
तो
है ना
क्या
एक
होता है?
साइड में एक छोटा सा वन एक
छोटा सा
बिंदी
है,
बिंदी
है,
जितना है
है,
उसके
है,
बाल
है,
के
है।
एंड पे देख एक बिंदी जितना डॉट है.
Okay, now it gets really great. Okay, so he wakes up in the night because the guy next to him wakes him. Okay, completely different guy. He wakes him and he says, जो लड़की आपको मिलने आई थी सुबह को वो अस्पताल में पहुंच गई है. उसके चोट बहुत ज्यादा चोट लगी है. तो he gets up, he runs to the women's ward. Women's ward में देखता है बेड पे लेटी है मीरा. ठीक है, जाता है मीरा के पास. Suddenly, cut to next slide. It was a ghost. It was the ghost. It was Ayer's ghost playing tricks with him. He was disguised as Meera. So he wakes up and he's like, मैं जानता हूँ तू 80 साल फ्यूचर से आया है. अब तुम मुझे नहीं रोक सकता. मैं फिर भी कर लूंगा जो करना है मुझे. Blah 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 blah. And then he
Ghost
says,
अनपढ़ होता है but they understand metaphysical quantum
Of
physics.
course, he's heard lectures.
so here's the best part. He says, तू मीरा को छोड़, तू तो किशन को भी नहीं किशन की जान भी नहीं बचा सकता है. Okay.
He's like, लेकिन मैं किशन की जान बचाने नहीं आया. I don't give a shit. तू मार दे किशन.
And Thakur, you would be absolutely wrong because upon hearing this, Mimo runs saying Kishan को बचाना है. Go to the next slide. Other.
Oh, shit.
This is him tearing through the hospital. Okay, saying कि किशन को बचाना है. Okay, then next slide. Okay, he picks up the cycle.
गाड़ी बाजू में. There is a car right next to you.
चाबी नहीं है ना.
अरे,
Hot
कितना
wire.
how easy it must be to hot wire these cars. दो तो वायर होती होगी गाड़ी में.
Okay, so he cycles through half the destination, then he can't cycle further. So then, other next slide.
Yeah.
Slides down a mountain.
He runs. He's like Kishan को बचाना है.
How is that faster than a cycle?
No, because the road was shut or something like that.
Ah.
Okay? And cut to Kishan is dead. Okay, he
Oh.
couldn't save Kishan. Okay,
Oh shit.
so अभी वो next slide other.
Kishan is dead in the same way. No.
Yeah, Kishan is died in the same way. Okay, so now next
उसका सर उसी
इधर वो मार्गरेट और मीरा को सच बताता है कि मैं वक्त ने मुझे 80 साल पीछे भेज दिया. They're like okay cool. So then he's
like that he's not telling him the truth. एक आदमी था वो चिल्लम फूक रहा था और उसने मेरे पे फूका.
That would be
और मैं यहाँ-
unbelievable. That would be unbelievable.
So
And then
he's
suddenly
like-
they're like, I think we are safer with the ghost.
तो बोलता है कि वक्त ने मुझे पीछे फेंक दिया 80 साल और अब मैं तुम्हें बचाने आया हूँ. So they're like क्या बकवास कर रहे हो. Then he says like 5-6 things that he wouldn't have known about. They're like तुम ये कैसे जानते हो. He's like मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना मैं 80 साल आगे से आया हूँ. तो they're like अच्छा ठीक है. तो then he hugs her. Okay, go down other. Okay, he hugs her and he says कि तुम्हें यहाँ से निकलना ही पड़ेगा. मेरी बात मानो. She's like fuck off. Okay, so now unbeknownst to you, what he has told her here is that अभी तुम मुझे बताओ कि मुझे यहाँ से निकलना पड़ेगा because he sees that the ghost is overhearing their conversation. Literally that. So he
Why
tells
did
them
they just
meet
write
me,
it down? Sir, यहाँ लिखो.
wait. So he says meet me later. Other next slide.
Oh.
Meet me later. Now this whole scene happens with them exchanging letters. Okay, next shot. Other.
Why is Sachin dressed as a lawyer?
Okay, next shot. ये देख सब लोग लेटर पढ़ रहे हैं एक दूसरे को दे रहे हैं कि एंड ही मेंशंस कि भूत अनपढ़
वो
होते
पढ़ नहीं
हैं.
सकते.
हाँ. तो चलो अभी फादर के पास. ओके, कट टू नेक्स्ट शॉट. दिस इज
फादर मर चुका है.
नहीं फादर इज literally
father.
father.
हाँ.
Father, padre. Okay, next, go to next shot. Okay, father now tells them, and I love how like all religions are in this movie. Okay, because
By the way,
father
can I
tells
give you
them,
one fun fact? I think this dude who's the father and him and Achin Kaur were married or dating.
Oh, that's
Find out his
Mohan.
name.
Is that Mohan?
I think so. They were dating.
Yeah, that's Mohan.
yeah, Mohan Kapoor
Yeah.
Mohan Kapoor.
is Mohan Kapoor. So
Why do I know
Uh,
that?
Mohan Kapoor tells them कि listen, मैं नहीं help कर पाऊंगा, तुम एक सूफी दरगाह के पास जाओ, वो help करो.
Oh shit.
Okay, तो वो ही कर पाएगा तुम्हें help. Okay, but I'll tell you two pieces of information. Okay, are you ready for this, guys? This is new information that I didn't know about ghosts. He says ghosts are at their strongest at 3 in the morning and at their weakest at 3 in the afternoon. So
ये बॉम्बे में तो 3 बजे दोपहर में तो आई एम श्योर एवरीबडी इज वीकेस्ट. इतना धूप, मर गए सब लोग.
he's like 3 p.m. को निकलो गाड़ी से और वो सूफी बाबा के की तरफ रवाना हो जाओ, ठीक है. So they're like, हाँ, cool. So they go from there and so they leave the house and they go and check into this hotel. Okay, others just go 2 slides ahead.
2 stairs ahead.
Okay, they go to the hotel.
Eden
Hotel
Gardens.
Eden Garden. Yes.
Come on, खेला हो गए.
Dada is at the reception without his shirt.
हाँ, दादा वहाँ पे खड़ा है.
दादा जस्ट, अरे वॉचमैन को क्या हो गया, शर्ट क्यों नहीं डाल देना.
So hotel Eden Garden में Corbo Lorbo Jin. Okay. So next shot.
डरबो.
Oh, Corbo Lorbo Dorbo. So now here there is a very nice quiet moment where Meera and what's his name, Rehan, they bond. Okay, now guess what they bond over? Next slide, Avar.
पियानो.
पियानो ना.
The
फोन.
उसके हाथ में
yeah
फोन है.
yeah
And goodness, bro,
सिग्नल
what-
कैसे मिल रहा है?
exactly. तो वो
अरे।
बोलती है ये क्या है तुम्हारे हाथ में, ऐसा टाइपराइटर तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखा है. And he's like it.
टाइपराइटर.
तो वो बोलता है अरे टाइपराइटर नहीं है पगली, ये है एक फोन. तो बोलती है फोन.
पगली.
तो फोन ये फोन कैसा फोन है? तो बोलता है अरे फोन है, अभी है. तो शी इज लाइक
वन सेकंड, उनका तो टाइप टेलीग्राम चल रहा है ना. दे डोंट इवन नो व्हाट अ फकिंग.
तो
नहीं,
शी
नहीं,
इज
फोन
लाइक
तो
तो
होगा ना,
फिर
तभी
फोन
तो
तो
ऐसा.
था ही.
आपका फोन नंबर क्या है? 6.
so
हेलो. हाँ.
so
So if a guy is
they
asking
have
a girl's number, it's like, hey, can I have your number? You could have just gone like 1, 2, 3, 99 तक जाके.
अरे every time you
eventually
do it,
find
you'll
her.
call somebody.
हाँ, तो you're like, you just find her eventually. 100 तो नंबर होंगे.
so the thing is कि they have told the hotel कि हमारे पेरेंट्स का फोन आएगा तो बता देना, ठीक है. so now he has told her कि मेरे पास फोन है. she's like अच्छा फोन है तो मेरे पेरेंट्स को फोन करो. तो बोलता है मस्त, दिस इज ग्रेट. ओके, says जिस नेटवर्क से आप संपर्क करना चाहते हो वो अभी फिलहाल उपलब्ध नहीं है.
Even to get that message, there has to be one
Wait,
cell
he
tower
says it
active.
himself
He
or
says
that's
it
what he hears?
himself.
He
He
says
says it
it.
himself. No,
It's not like वो फोन कर रहा है और funny.
Yeah.
Good
So
one.
funny. तो
Oh,
फिर वो
funny.
बोलता है अच्छा ये कैमरा भी है, ठीक है. and he takes a photo of her and she's like oh ये कैसे जादू हो गया यार, wow amazing. he's like ये म्यूजिक भी बजाता है. okay, now he plays music. now I just want to pause here just to tell you that she has murdered a man
Yeah.
and she's
very
on the
happy.
run from a ghost and he has time traveled 80 years and is trying to prevent her from getting murdered, and now he's going to play a song and break dance for the next 3 minutes.
Of course.
Oh.
Okay, so other next shot,
Memo.
he break dancing.
Of
Okay,
course.
he break dancing. She's laughing her guts out. She's like, "Wow, ऐसी डांस मैंने देखी नहीं, इतनी अजीब है." Okay, then next shot. Okay, he's having the time of his life. Okay, now this meet cute thing gets over, and this scene tells you that they are in love now. Okay, it's done. This deal is sealed. Now next shot, what
मीमो
happens
का
is
बाप बैठा हुआ है. ये कभी आएगा हमारा 2%.
वो फोन कर रहा है मिम्मो को और फिर उसको आ रहा है कि जो नंबर से आप संपर्क करना चाहते हैं वो फिलहाल 80 साल पास्ट में है.
okay, so now in the night, Achint gets a phone call. Okay, the phone rings at the reception. Only she hears it. She goes there. She picks up the receiver and she hears a voice just say "Iyer," and she says "Iyer." And the next shot.
he tricked her into saying his name.
so
then he can just say अय्यर. अरे कौन है अय्यर? अय्यर? हाँ, अय्यर बोले. अय्यर. And then with everything अय्यर just keeps
So-
getting.
एक सिक्स पैक बनते जा रहा है धीरे.
no, so the thing is, she's put under digital arrest because Iyer घुस जाता है फोन से उसके कान में और कान से उसके दिमाग में.
घुस जाता
Okay,
है.
and हाँ घुस गया.
Oh,
She is possessed now. Okay,
Possessed.
next shot other.
हम्म.
Okay, और वो बन जाती है अय्यर सरोगे और पेट काटने का
Wow.
प्रयास. Okay, so now while she's trying to do this, Mimo enters a room, takes something from a wall, and next shot, other, okay, stabs her in the back with it. Okay, so he has put one sort of one wooden thing through her. Okay, now they escape, and next morning they've driven all night. Next morning, other next shot. Okay, she is run off. She's going back to the house, and
She
he
gonna
runs
run back
behind her.
to her
He
house.
runs back to the house, and she's like,
She's like, अभी कोई सर्वेंट नहीं है, अभी तो वापस घर ही जाना पड़ेगा. Even if I'm far away from the house, if when there's no servant around me, I must get back to the house.
तो वो बोलती है दिस इज ग्रेट. ओके, तो वो बोलती है, वो पूछता है कि क्यों वापस जा रही हो. सो
Oh,
हाँ,
Fucking he's
so-
hearing it.
so no, so she asks him कि क्यों क्यों he asks her कि क्यों जा रही है वापस. तो she's like, देखो तुमने किसको बचाया है. किशन भी मर गया, मार्गरेट भी मर गई.
और मेरी
मैं-
अचित को तो तुमने स्टैप कर दिया.
तो
मार्गरेट
मैं जा रही हूँ वापस तुम्हें बचाने. Okay, so he gets fully moved and they make out, and then they decide कि fuck it, we are going to the Baba. Remember they were told Sufi Baba के
Sufi
घर.
Baba.
Okay, so they go to Sufi Baba. Next shot, other. Okay, Sufi Baba. This is the dargah 1 mile away. They have to go through a forest. Okay, next shot. Now
Oh.
she back and she walking down from tree. Okay, and
Why she walks? She can just jump. She's ghost.
No,
It's
but
not like she's
she-
going to break bones.
she can fly also, but
yeah, but she's above 30, so she's like, I gotta chill, man.
तो वो चल चल के आती है नीचे पेड़ से, and she starts following them. Then she starts throwing sticks at them. Next shot.
Sticks.
हाँ, sticks फेंकती है. ये देखिए, they're
Sticks
ducking
and
from the
stones
sticks
may
that are
break my bones.
Okay, now
But
next
ghosts will
shot,
come and eat me. But
Okay,
ghosts will come
after-
and lick me.
after stabbing her from the back, Mimo now, next shot, stabs her from the front.
Oh! How do you
He
stab
takes
a
up-
ghost with a
लकड़ा ही
wooden?
डालते रहता है उसका.
He keeps taking lakdas
अबे
and
भूत
shoving
को
it.
कैसे मार रहे लेकिन ये
तो
भूत है ना.
बार बार वो लकड़ा लेके मारता रहता है. Okay, next shot. Okay, and this time he makes sure that he twists it a bit. Okay. And he then takes out the lakda. She goes flying, and then next shot, other. He takes an even bigger lakda.
Oh, shit.
Where is he getting
She's
this
like,
lakdas from?
she's like,
bro?
मैं घर जा रही हूँ, chill, मैं घर जा रही हूँ.
He throws this on top of her this time. But next shot,
Bro, that's a trunk of.
Okay.
Oh, she's back.
she back, and there is no evidence that lakda had ever gone through.
यहाँ
body.
कपड़े में खड्डा भी नहीं है,
Okay.
कुछ नहीं है, एक खून का छोटा सा धब्बा है.
Now behind her, as you can see, is the wall of the dargah. Okay, now next shot, other. Okay, she's
Oh.
about to fly away with Tia Bajpai, but he holds her by the foot and opens the door of the shrine. Next shot. Okay, now next
ख्वाजा
shot.
मेरे ख्वाजा.
Yeah, exactly, that starts playing. Like something very similar to that
दिल
starts
में
playing.
समा जा.
Next shot. Okay, she starts like like doing breakdance. And then, because of the power of the dargah, next shot, other.
Hmm.
Okay,
Oh,
she
evaporates.
vanishes, which is very convenient because now they don't have to explain the next murder. Okay, the second murder that they committed. Now, next shot. Guess who in the dargah?
अरे
He back. He back.
So he's actually a Sufi.
Yes.
Like क्या बोलते हैं
Yes.
उनको?
He's
Kौन
a
सी
yeah.
guy?
He's a
Sufi.
wait. He's a Sufi saint. He's a Sufi saint.
Yeah.
Sufi Baba. He's a
Baba.
Sufi Baba. So now Baba
Manoj
gives full
Bajpayee.
exposition.
हाँ.
Okay, Baba gives full exposition. Next shot. Okay, he tells them कि ये जो लॉकेट है ना, जब अय्यर तेरे पे गिरा मर के, तो उसका खून तेरे लॉकेट में ऐसे समा गया, तो अभी उसकी रूह तेरे लॉकेट से कनेक्टेड है. सो दे लाइक ठीक है, लॉकेट फेंक देते हैं.
Oh,
इज लाइक अरे हाँ, मीनिंग इज लाइक अरे पागल, मीनिंग कनेक्टेड है, मीनिंग ऐसे
He
ही तो
made a
फेंक नहीं सकता.
Horcrux.
यस, सो इज लाइक अभी रूह कनेक्टेड है, तो तुम्हें तो दे लाइक फिर क्या करें. सो दे लाइक ही इज लाइक एक जाओ यहाँ एक मील दूर एक उजड़ा
मंदिर
हुआ
है.
एक बस्ती है. बस्ती के
दरगाह
बीचों
से
बीच
अभी मंदिर जाओ, फिर
मंदिर
से-
हुआ, फिर एक गुरुद्वारे जाओ, गुरुद्वारे एक सिनेगॉग मिलेगा, एक सिनेगॉग जाओ, उसके बाद एक साइंटोलॉजी करके है, उस पे भी जाओ.
एक पारसी टेम्पल होगी वहां पे जाके.
अग्यारी जाओ.
हाँ, आगे आ रही उधर बिली मोरिया मिलता है. अरे डिगरे तू वापस आ गया. अरे मेरा 200 crore अभी तक आया नहीं।
अभी तक आया नहीं।
Okay, so he tells them go to बस्ती, बस्ती में कुआं है, कुआं एक मैजिकल कुआं है, कुआं में जो भी जाता है वो अपने जगह पहुंच जाता है। ओके, सो नाउ ही टेल्स them कि ये ना जो लॉकेट है उस कुएं में फेंकना है तुमको। ओके, बट नॉट, यू कैन जस्ट थ्रो इट अलोन, यू हैव टू थ्रो इट along with other things, and the things are Captain Planet's 5 things. What are they?
Earth,
Earth, fire,
fire,
wind, water,
wind, water,
and
heart.
heart.
By
किसका
your
heart?
powers
Spirit.
combined, I am Captain Planet. Captain
Yes.
Planet.
So next shot, Adar.
But heart
Bro.
किसका डाल रहे हो वो लोग?
I'll tell you. तो
Is there
अभी
a
देख
heart?
ये, नहीं ये है
अबे इतने
मिट्टी।
मरे हुए लोग हैं, किसी का भी लेके डाल दे भाई।
ओके, ये है मिट्टी। फिर बोलता है आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू सम जल, एंड ही सेज इसमें है दरगाह का फूका हुआ पानी। ही सेज लिटरली इसे दरगाह का फूका हुआ पानी, बिकॉज़ he blows it into the water also, so he's like this is a magical thing, it will protect you. Okay,
बट उसका चिलम डाल देता ना एक।
That's fire.
so Chilam is now his thing of the past. Okay, so-
Of the future.
Of the future.
of the future. Okay, so now next shot they go to other next. Now they're in the basti. This is with the lantern, and they go to the well. And as they're in the well, who comes out of the well? But next
अय्यार।
shot.
But if
Aiyar
you're in the
pops.
well, you go where you need to go. Na? How are you coming out of the well? This is.
He's not
No,
fully
but
gone.
they
He's
haven't
halfway
finished.
there. He's just hiding.
अच्छा, ऐसा.
Yeah, they've not finished the thing. So other next slide.
Oh.
Okay, he pops out of the well. Next slide. Okay, there he is, popping out right out of the well. Now they start running through the basti, and what this guy went from pianist to stonemason because he starts building walls. Okay, miraculously. Next shot, Adar.
Minecraft
And beautiful
खेल रहे हैं.
walls. Beautiful walls. Huh? Look at this. Look at the construction quality.
तो आप
It's
मालूम है
real.
पिरामिड इसने बनाया, ईयर ने। देख के टक, 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 टक। वो टूटम
Bro,
का इज
बहुत-
ओके, इट्स गुड।
बहुत अच्छे walls बनाता है. Okay, he like he instantly creates these
Iron
perfectly nice
Hmm.
like nice smooth walls. Okay, so now Mimo uses a giant stick one last time. Okay, so just show it.
Put it up
And he
his
pole
butt.
vaults. He pole vaults.
He
अरे,
pole
he
vaults
pole vaults.
Oh, bro.
He pole vaults over
But
the
he pole
wall.
vaults alone. What about the chick?
No, the chick has been cornered and chunwowed like one
So he's like,
Mira-
fuck it.
like one
I'm a
Anarkali.
bounce.
I'm a bounce.
I'm a bounce, and okay, and the guy has held her, and so he comes with a pole and he vaults into the frame, and he saves her from that one particular
I
thing.
like
And
how
they
this
take
MBA can just suddenly, in a matter of minutes, learn an Olympic level sport.
Bro, वो
Yeah.
स्टैनफोर्ड में एडमिशन कैसे मिला तेरे को स्पोर्ट्स कोटा में?
It's a sports quota.
हाँ, the
And
pole
dance
vaulting,
quota. Now-
real
And dance
estate,
quota.
pianist, agent.
now next shot, other. So they manage to throw the locket in. Okay, they throw the locket in, but the locket gets lodged on a piece of rock before it
Oh,
hits the freaking water. Okay,
Of
so
course.
the next shot, other. Mimo is now the ghost now takes a vine, ties it around Mimo's foot, and hangs him above the well. Mimo somehow frees himself and starts rappelling down the well. Okay, to dislodge that thing. So, other next shot. He's rappelling. Next shot. There he is. पहुंचने वाला. Okay. Meanwhile, she's in danger. वो पहुंचने वाला है. She's in danger. पहुंचने वाला है. She's in danger. पहुंचने वाला है. And then he manages to put the locket into the water. So next shot. And there goes
Oh,
Aiyar
yeah.
straight into the water. Okay, now she comes running. She's like, "Oh, तुमने मेरी जान बचा ली." She's at the top of the well, and he's like, "रुको, मैं आता हूँ, हो गया." And he's climbing up, but then the wine snaps.
Oh,
And next shot.
Oh, and he goes wherever he needs to.
Mimo
And he
गया.
goes back
Yes,
to the future.
next shot.
He goes back
Next
to the
shot.
future.
तो वो अपनी जगह भेज देती है.
Oh,
उसकी
it doesn't
जगह-
make a difference.
तो जगह किधर है? वो उठता है सीधा ग्रास में in 2011
Hmm.
and वापस जाता है, goes right back to the book, opens the letter, और इस बार letter change.
Change.
लेटर इज
Of
लाइक
course.
अब सब ठीक हो गया, हमें तुम्हारी बहुत याद आती है, अगर तुम ये पढ़ रहे हो तो इसका मतलब है तुम 80 साल फ्यूचर में चले गए हो और सब ठीक है, और अब मैं बताती हूँ तुम्हें तुम्हारा पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट कितना था, बिकॉज अदर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड.
बच्चा
मैं
हो गया है.
प्रेग्नेंट.
बच्चा हो गया है. तुम्हारे किस में इतनी
नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. दोज आर हर पेरेंट्स, दे केम बैक फ्रॉम दिल्ली एंड एवरीथिंग वाज फाइन. नेक्स्ट शॉट. मुझे एक बहुत अच्छा लड़का राजेश मिल गया और मैंने राजेश के साथ शादी कर ली। राजेश के साथ शादी करने के बाद नेक्स्ट
हमारा एक लड़का हुआ, लड़के का नाम था
रेहान।
रेहान। Oh, bro. But that's
ये
his name,
no,
right? It's not like Mimmo is her son. तो बेटा,
no,
अगर तुम ये पढ़ रहे हो, thank you.
no. It's a homage. And
Homage, homage,
Rajesh was also totally
homage.
cool with it. Rajesh was like, हाँ, of course. मेरी रेहान बनता है भाई. He saved you from Professor Ayer.
I don't think he must have told, she must have told him also. I don't think she's told him. She's like,
Yeah.
रेहान कैसा नाम रहेगा? थोड़ा अजीब नाम नहीं है 1936 के लिए। 1936 में रेहान को नाम लगता है, हमको और कुछ रखना चाहिए। सुरेश रखे, नहीं रेहान रखते ना। अच्छा, how about
But one
प्रभात?
second,
प्रभात?
is he now? That means he kissed his mother.
No, yeah, she just kept
No,
his
he
name.
did. Arey, he's not Rehan. They've just kept his
Ah,
The
name.
name
Okay.
of the kid is
So
Rehan.
other,
oh, thank
okay. So
God.
other, next slide. By the way, you're not in frame, huh?
Yeah, I'm
I
just
know, I
waiting.
know. Sorry, मेरा फोन का
हाँ, ठीक है.
बैटरी मैं फोन का बैटरी died, so I have to do
चलेगा,
this.
चलेगा. We're at the end only, so it's
Oh,
good.
hilarious. When you're at the end. So now that is the final shot of the saga. After all of this, he's like, हाँ, अब मेरा commission मिल जाएगा. Okay. And and it ends with that. Now,
Oh.
this is the beautiful saga of Haunted 3D, but the fun doesn't end because
Post
when you-
credit.
wait. So when you go to the comments of the film on YouTube, a very odd thing has been happening where people go to the comments and they write the date of which, like, they write the date when they saw the film. Okay, so other next slide. 7 जून 2026 को किसने देखी है ये मूवी? नेक्स्ट स्लाइड.
It's so specifically, huh?
1st June 2026, I am write this comment, the masterpiece. I am here after Haunted 3D second trailer. Hopefully second part not disappointed. Next. मैं 2018 से बोल रहा हूँ. क्या कोई मेरा कमेंट देख रहा है? किसी
But
भी
why
घर का
2080?
कोई- 80 साल
उसको
बाद.
चिलम बाबा मिल गया, चिलम बाबा ने आगे भेज दिया उसको.
वेट, गो नेक्स्ट. कौन 1936 में ये movie देख रहा है?
Great one.
But
Okay.
Telegram पे
Now-
देख रहे हैं, one line at a time.
Okay. So now this is basically, so if you are watching this, please go to Haunted and please put the date and say that इस date पे मैंने ये video देखी और मैं ये picture देखा और बहुत मजा आया. ठीक है. Now what I want to do next is I just want to take you through some things that I realized were, like, once you see this movie and you've seen a bunch of Vikram Bhatt's movies, you realize that Vikram sir really loves a few things. Okay, and here are some of the few things that he loves and has in every one of his masterpieces. Okay, other next.
Hmm.
Vikram, Dhua, of
So,
course.
Yes.
Marvel
All his
के.
movies are set in like AQI 700.
The
Okay.
fog, na fog. Small
देख ही नहीं
Fog.
पाता. नहीं, as in like people cannot see only, like
Yeah.
the visibility is like 1 centimeter, like दिख ही नहीं पा रहा है कोई भी. Okay, next. So this movie had pianos, and pianos are a motif that the artist has worked with a lot.
Hmm.
Okay, so other next slide. These are all
Oh.
pianos that have appeared.
It's that one
across-
piano which is there in Bhatt Productions. That he's like, चलो भाई निकालो पियानो. क्या हुआ, विक्रम भट्ट हॉरर पिक्चर बना रहे क्या? हाँ.
Is it the same
सबके-
one? No, they're different pianos, but they're still
एक
there.
खुला है, एक बंद है, सब वही होगा.
तो सबको थमा देता है एक पियानो. Okay, next, other. Okay, one motif that we saw here was him in hospital.
Injury.
Next shot. Next.
Oh भाई, भाई.
ये bed तो same है. Bed
All
and ward.
movies.
But, हाँ.
Okay. All movies, he has these shots of people just lying comatose, almost dead, about to die, all sorts of medical procedures. Okay, now next, it gets even better. These are the last two.
अरे
Now you might notice.
किताब,
Just go back, Adarsh. नहीं, go back.
Oh, किताब.
अरे gloves,
नहीं यार,
gloves.
देख. So he loves yes, gloves, yes, because 1920s. But Vikram Bhatt Saab really likes to put his heroines in blue and white. Okay, as you will
Oh.
see. Go to the next one.
Oh yeah.
So
Mm.
loves it, and more than putting his heroines in blue and white, he loves putting his heroes in. Other next slide.
In a sweater.
Turtleneck.
हाँ.
Turtleneck is like
कैसे
guy- the
कैसे
guy on the
दिखाओ कि
left-
बहुत ठंडा है, कैसे
Yeah.
दिखाओ कि बहुत
This,
ठंडा
this
है.
guy literally is looking like a turtle.
And that brings us to the end of the
मजेदार,
3D with
मजेदार,
Dayu.
बाप बाप बाप, ब्रो क्या पिक्चर दिखी हुई है. I'm not going to go watch it now because I've seen it.
You've seen
I've
it.
seen it
You've
here.
seen it.
And
Yes.
just like how we went through this, we are going to go through some more crazy movies each episode after episode. There's a lot of fun ones on the cards, and this is a glimpse of what you'll see in our live show Bollywood Postmortem. So crazy insights, crazy research, crazy क्या बोलते हैं उसको, डीप डाइव्स इनटू बॉलीवुड इज व्हाट यू गोइंग टू गेट टू सी. तो ये था हमारा हॉन्टेड 3D का पोस्टमार्टम. जाने के पहले once again request all you guys who are watching, please buy tickets for the shows. If you have friends and family in Amsterdam and London, please send them links to our tickets. It's there in the pin comment. ले लो फटाफट और मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते एक और बॉलीवुड पोस्टमार्टम के साथ, है कि नहीं. तो थैंक यू सो मच. आई होप यू गाइस एंजॉयड इट. Go like Mimo, go comment on him, tell him Tis sent you here. Or hopefully in the future we'll be able to do one postmortem with Mimo himself.
Yeah.
So किया जाए वो. Thank you so much for watching.
We'll do Haunted 23D.
Yeah, सही है. That's it from this episode. We'll see you again next week. Until then, it's goodbye. Take care. Tata. Salamesh.
Yeah.
Hold up.
मस्त.
Woo.
टिकट बिक जाते थे ऐसे ऐसे हम लोग. अरे गाइस हमारे टिकट
Magical.
बचे.
हाँ.
अरे भाई 1500 सीट बिक गए, क्या हो गया भाई.